He's the one and only Craftaculous. Hey, welcome back. This is my Creality 10s Pro version 2, and I'm going to upgrade the very nice base plate that they give with it. I just don't think it's going to work for higher temperature stuff that needs to stick better. The last time I used a plate like this and I did PETG, I had to freeze the entire plate and then hammer it off. It had become one with the plate. So, bam, wham. I don't know. Either their marketing is really good or a lot of people really like the Wham Bam bases. Let's install one and see if it helps me remove my prints from the plate. Designed in Florida. How many did I order? Oh, I also, I bought a Mars Saturn. I bet you since I was ordering, I'm like, just get one for the Mars Saturn. Don't drink and order stuff, I guess. I don't remember. Why did I order 3 Wham Bam plates? They're probably big fans of my show. Oh, a microphone pop filter. So this is steel wool? Why do I need steel wool? Am I gonna have to like do engineering stuff? Wool isn't a good sign. Okay, we can go on their website and just read a little bit. Here's a pro tip when you receive a package from Wham Bam. If you just keep looking in the case where the stuff came out, there is instructions. Stickers. Go wrong with stickers. Everybody loves stickers. All right, so I guess it's a 3-piece system. It's basically the magnetic part that like comes off of the new base. But on here is where you stick Wham Bam PEX voodoo recipe there. And then this is the magnetic bottom that goes on first, and then that sticks to it. That's what the wool is for. Fine wool is just to scuff up the surface so it has better adhesion. So now I know what I need to do. The Creality has these clips, but I have a feeling I'm gonna be removing. I have a feeling I'm just gonna be taking these off. There's bolts underneath. It's tight. So this aluminum base stays on. I think it's warped. I don't know. I've got a straight edge and take a look at it. Allen wrench. How cool to have a wrench named after you. Okay. Of course, there's a little tiny bolt. Let me go find some tools. I'll be back. Okay. I'm just gonna keep these together. Okay, so I found this guitar straighten checker, the official name, guitar neck straighten checker, just to see for fun, and it's pretty warped in the center. Damn it. You can see light. Ugh. Crap. Damn, look at that dip in the center. I'm tired. A quick interweb search says you can put a shimmy aluminum foil underneath where it's dipped. That doesn't sound like a good idea. But what sounds like a worse idea is it says to try to just put it over your knee and that sounds dumb. Just a little bit. Hey, how'd you get those indentations in the center of your gut? Wouldn't you like to know? Wham Bam. I'm going to peel about an inch, line it up and stick it, strip the cover off. IPA, I only got 91%. It'll have to do. It's not like it fits perfectly, but there we go. Right? Oh, my LCD is gonna give me nightmares. Oh well, good enough. It was like a millimeter on this side. I mean, maybe you do to get the dust off of it, so that this magnetized thing. Ah, fuck. Hi there, magnet. Put in the comments below how I'm totally not doing this right. OCD, 1, 2, 3. That's better. Not great, but it's better than before. And now I know what the steel wool is for. I'm not gonna go crazy. Just gonna do some circular motions, maybe. Oh, wait a minute. Is there a, I don't remember now, is there Okay, check this out. So now let's grab the steel wool. Oh, I'm excited to try this out. Will I have prints that stay put during the print? You know what that means. If I can make a print stay put for like the big prints, you're gonna see Mandalorian helmet video number 10,085. Mine will be the best one too. Any debris. So I don't have a whole lot of video. This is just my last one that I did before I got super frustrated, but every print that I was trying ended up doing this. Stuck for a little bit, then started sliding around. I went back to PLA. I re-leveled the bed. I manually re-leveled the bed, and I raised the temperature on the bed and the nozzle, and then I changed temperatures. I changed filaments, and I could never get anything to stick to the Wham Bam. Where's my crew? The crew went to lunch. So this last test before I give Wham Bam one more try, because man, nothing stuck to Wham Bam unless I use blue tape and glue. But I didn't have my settings dialed in. So my last test was on the glass, and I used the ABS, and oh my gosh, look at this bottom that came off the glass, right? That's what I'm talking about. I mean, this is just way better than what I had going on before. You guys like that sound? I'm really digging my Creality 10s Pro now, I'll tell you that. I'm super happy about it. So now I'm gonna go back to the Wham Bam. I'm gonna go back to this guy. I contacted their support. They got good, they get back to you pretty fast. But they give you this like super long list of things to try, which I get it because there's so many variables in 3D printing. And I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try to make this Wham Bam work. But honestly, I'm happy that I spent $20 on a piece of glass and I'm having super nice prints. I'm gonna go ahead and give Wham Bam the final test with properly dialed in settings and see what I get. So stay tuned for a word from our sponsors, and we'll be right back. Okay, wow, and also wow. How did you spend your weekend? I know how I spent mine. Messing with the Wham Bam. Okay, I got it to work. Spoilers ahead. Okay, here's my official review on the Wham Bam plate. To be fair, a lot of the failures that I had, there might have been user error. Like, say for example, it says here Wham Bam PEX. There's the top. It's possible I was printing on this side and everything was sliding off. That may have been the case on a few prints. So I'll give that user error. But here's the thing. After dialing all the settings and getting this $20 glass bed to just print like magic, when I did print on the right side of Wham Bam, it's not as easy as a glass plate. It's more finicky. The one thing I didn't like that they recommended was that if I am still having problems, then to sand the top down. The reason I got the Wham Bam is, one, I wanted the flexibleness to deal with tough prints. I don't think I'm gonna have to worry about having prints stuck too bad, because I have yet to see a print that's like seriously stuck on this bed. However, I can't flex glass yet till Scotty invents, flexible glass. Hello, computer. I will keep the Wham Bam around for just having the option of having a flexible top, because I do need that. And now I can make things stick to it, albeit I had to use sandpaper and glue. On the original Creality top, which is great. I actually should have just stayed with this. I should have just stuck with this. Anybody? Nobody? Okay. I didn't do it on this model, but on one of my Crealities, I did PETG on their fancy hybrid top thing, and that PETG just stuck. I couldn't get it off. That's why I wanted to get into something like, if I run into a problem with PETG sticking that bad, I could just pop it off. But even dialing them in, I barely took this off the bed and it just, boop, just popped off, which, I mean, there are worse problems to have, which is not the way I thought I would be using this top. But that's fine. That's whatever. I think I'm just gonna stick between my glass and the Wham Bam, and I should be fine. There's my review. There's my review. Tune in next week for more exciting videos from Craftacular. That was pretty dumb.